First, remove the 15 original buckles. Remove the original guard plate. Remove the 2 original screws. Install the frunk. Note that this position needs to be stuck inside. Replace the 2 original screws. And use flathead screws for the other 5. Screw on the 4 nuts. Put your hands through the openings to screw on the nuts. Install the other side in the same way. Replace the guard plate. Install the 6 buckles. Replace the original buckles. Install the 2 covers of the frunk.